Want to watch movies and shows directly through IMDb? Here's how to do it in 2025. First, it's important to know that IMDb, which stands for the Internet Movie Database, is primarily an information website. However, its sister service, IMDb TV, now known as Amazon Freevee, is where you can actually stream content for free. Freevee is a free, ad-supported streaming service owned by Amazon. To start watching, you can download the Amazon Freevee app on your smart TV, streaming device, or phone. You can also access it directly through a web browser by going to the Freevee website. Alternatively, you can still use the standard IMDb app or website. When you look up a movie or show, look for the Watch options. IMDb will show you if it's available to stream for free on Freevee, or if it's available for rent or purchase on other platforms like Amazon Prime Video. You don't need a subscription for Freevee's own library, it's completely free with ads. Just open the app or website, browse the catalog, and start streaming. So, to watch movies on IMDb, your main destination is the Amazon Freevee service. Enjoy your show!